Hey guys, look what I have here. This is Steam Machine, the mini PC from Valve. You can play flat games, whatever you like, Steam games, but you can also play VR. And perhaps you wondered, yeah, Steam Frame is coming soon, but it will be pretty expensive. And perhaps you already have a MetaQuest or you want to buy a MetaQuest, which is much cheaper. And you wonder, can I use my MetaQuest 3 with the Steam Machine? Yes, you can. And how that works and how good it works, I will show you in this video. Of course, I will show you Half-Life Alyx with MetaQuest 3 on Steam Machine. And yeah, this is gonna be really interesting for some people, I think. If you want to buy Steam Machine, I will put it in the description. And also you get $30 game credit if you buy a MetaQuest 3 via my link in the description. And yeah, my name is Thomas and you're watching Voodoo.de. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
Voodoo.de.
Okay guys, so here we are on Steam Machine here. And you can just play it like in this view. This is the gaming view, but I want to show it to you in the desktop mode. And for this, let me just show you how it works. Here in the corner, you see Steam menu and then go on off and then switch to desktop. And here I am back. And now we're switching to the desktop mode of Steam Machine. And this is, yeah, I would say it's Linux. Yeah, it's Linux here. And so this is pretty easy. Steam is already running in the background, yeah, and I already prepared my MetaQuest 3. So what you're gonna do is, inside the MetaQuest 3, go to the store and then just download the free Steam Link app. This is how I did that. Just download the free Steam Link app and then you will go to Connect. And then you will find Steam Deck. There's a device called Steam Deck. And the first time you will have to enter a 4-digit PIN. And after that, you can just go on, I will do that now, on Connect. And now it should open Steam VR. Here we go. And normally you should see, yeah, my view. Oh, wait, this looks a little bit ugly. Let me, yeah, like this. And now you see my view here, MetaQuest 3 connected to Steam Machine. That's really awesome. All the shaking, of course, of this view here is not inside the headset. It's just a recording. And now you can do whatever you want. Yeah, you can, for example, here go and play flat games on a huge flying screen. Yeah, I already played, like, for example, Anno. The strategy game. You can also connect mouse and keyboard to Steam Machine or controller or whatever, but you can play flat whatever you want. But of course I want to show you VR, so I already installed Half-Life Alyx and you go on play here. So sorry, everything is in German. It's hard to switch the system here all the time, but I think you know the buttons, right? And yeah, now he is opening Half-Life Alyx. And I think you will see two mirrors. I have to close this one. And here you see that one. I will also close this. And here we are. Here we are in Half-Life Alyx. And now here we go. And the crazy thing is, on options, here I can put on ultra high quality. Ultra high quality. And then let's check that out. So the screen mirror looks a little bit weird, to be honest, because I think this is, yeah, you see this area here, this is a little bit shaky and there is something wrong. But inside the headset, it's absolutely normal. Yeah, so don't look at this here at the outer left part. It's just an error in the screen mirror. So now, guys, look at this. This is freaking insane. This is on ultra high settings and I'm playing that with MetaQuest 3 wireless. So here we can do it. All the controllers also work. We can go on the menu here. Look at this, absolutely no problem. And yeah, we can play the whole game now without any problems. Isn't that crazy? And it looks really good. Yeah, it looks really good. Of course, yeah, on Steam Frame, on the Valve headset, it will have a little bit better quality, streaming quality, because we have this dongle. With MetaQuest 3, it's just connected to your router. And guys, you have to make sure that Steam Machine is connected to the same router than MetaQuest 3. For example, my Steam Machine is connected via cable, Ethernet cable, to my router, and the MetaQuest 3 is connected wireless to the same router. Yeah, so make sure this is everything is set up, and then it will work. You see that it's just no problem, and everything works without problems. Voodoo was here with Steam machine. Nice writing. Oh my god. So guys, isn't that cool? So if you consider to buy a Steam Frame, perhaps if you see this, you don't need Steam Frame. I don't know. You can do everything with a MetaQuest 3 as well. So you can play flat games on a huge screen, like with Steam Frame, but you can also play wireless the PCVR games like Half-Life Alyx. It's just the same than Steam Frame, but much cheaper, of course. MetaQuest 3 is $500, right? Or MetaQuest 3S also works. It's 300 somewhat. Yeah, it's a little bit. I think they raised the prices a little bit. It's a little bit more expensive, but still, it's only half or less than half price than Steam Frame, and it works without problems with the Steam Machine. So perhaps if you're interested, if you still want to use a Meta headset, you can do that with Steam Machine. So guys, I used a Steam Link software, as I told you, Steam Link software, but perhaps I'm not a Linux pro. Perhaps somebody of you know if you can also install virtual desktop on the PC, on Linux, on Steam Machine. Perhaps somebody of you know that, and perhaps you can pimp it a little bit more with virtual desktop. I mean, it runs already really good, but yeah, perhaps. And look at this. Even when I put the controllers away, hand tracking works. You see that? Hand tracking. It's crazy. Yeah. So you can do whatever you want here. So if you would like to try virtual desktop, in the description you will find a 10% coupon code for virtual desktop, and also, of course, for the MetaQuest 3 and 3S you get $30 game credit if you buy it via my link, and also Steam Machine, yeah, the Steam Store link. Look at that bird. Damn! Go away! Go away. So it runs brilliant, it looks brilliant, and as I told you, you can also go back here and then here in the library, and then we can go on VR games, and then we can install all VR games on Steam Machine, whatever you want. There is tons of VR games in my library, and yeah, you can just play them. It's absolutely no problem, right? And you install them and just run them. And I would say, of course, I didn't try all the games, but if Half-Life Alyx works on ultra high settings, most of the games here will also work on Steam Frame. Perhaps Microsoft Flight Simulator is a little bit tricky. Yeah, perhaps you have to do that on very low settings, but it could still work. But as you can see, no problems at all. No problems. And you don't need to use a Steam Machine in the desktop mode. You can also do it in the other mode. I just switched to desktop mode to show you the actual screen mirror, right? So guys, as I told you, everything is in the description. All the links, coupon links for Quests, virtual desktop, Steam Machine, and so on. And make sure to check it out. And if you have any more questions, I know that was only a short video, but perhaps I could answer some questions. If you have more questions about MetaQuest 3 connected to Steam Machine, write it in the comments below. I can try whatever you want. And then I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
bude.de.